I literally look crazy. I woke up at 9:30 today and I've just been in bed for the past hour just scrolling through social media. This is the true reality of Yoojin's life. Anyways, say good morning to Nana. You are so cute. Nana. Why can't we just be cats and not have responsibilities? Okay, you guys, we're gonna start off our morning with a workout. I'm not gonna go to the gym today because I'm too lazy to get out of my house. Okay, let's change. Ooh. Nice. Full body workout. Let's go. Who should we do today? Pamela Reef. How's it going, guys? I'm dying already. Woo. Oh my gosh, you guys are seeing my feet. What? Why won't it lift up? Oh my god, that one's so hard. What the heck? How is she doing that so easily? I don't want to do this anymore. I don't like it. Okay, I am done with my workouts, even though I didn't finish the last 3 minutes of it. The workouts that require my stomach to be on the ground, I don't know why it's so hard. Like booty flutter kicks. It's so hard. Before I go take a shower, I'm gonna be uploading my TikTok and Instagram reel that I made. I'll show you guys a sneak peek. Yeah, that's basically it. This song and the dance is all over my TikTok right now, so I had to do it. It's so cute. I uploaded. I just popped my pimple. Yeah. Hello from my kitchen. I have showered, done my makeup, and it is now time to eat. Salmon. Okay, we got my salmon here. I'm gonna microwave this because it is so frozen. Potato. This is so many potatoes. I don't think I will need this one. What should I do? I guess I'm just gonna make like a lot. Looks so good. I'm eating so late. It's 1:50 right now. First meal of the day. I'm on the last episode of this Korean drama called Bad and Crazy. I highly recommend watching Bad and Crazy for anyone who enjoys watching K-drama. It's a bit of a thriller, but it's so funny. Like, there are so many funny moments. So I'm gonna be watching that while I eat my food. Hello. It's been almost 2 hours since I last talked to you guys, and This is what I have been doing. Some freelance video editing work. I used to be a full-time worker at Dive Studios, but now I just do freelance work for them. I don't think I've ever really showed you guys my editing process. So if you guys want a more in-depth video on how I edit, let me know in the comments. But for this video, let me just show you the gist of my editing process. So basically, I watch the full video, and then if I find a clip interesting, then I trim the video and I convert it into a vertical format like this. And then I'll adjust the video so that it will look nice on a vertical format. And then I'll add captions and sound effects and anything that will just make it more interesting to the viewers. And then we're done. I was actually being very productive for the past 4 hours. And now I'm hungry, so let's eat. Sanyoung.
What?
Hello, say hello to the vlog.
Hello, vlog. Oh, new lens. You like it?
We're gonna be eating this.
It's so good. Yoojin's fart smells so bad.
And then we're gonna be eating this.
Our belly button
Our
also
mixed
smells really bad.
I think this is like snail. What is whelk?
Well. Yeah, I think it's like sea snail. 좋은 원료만을 염선하여 맛과 영양을 좋은 원료만을 염선하여 맛과 영양을
Boiling water.
그대로. Excuse me, I'm
Currently
filming.
boiling water
I'm filming.
for this. Comes like this. Cucumber. We're gonna add cucumbers so it's more fresh. This is how it looks. So good. I'm gonna add in some more noodles for Sunny. Sauce. Mix. Here it is. Doesn't look too appetizing. Let us try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on over, Sonia.
It's delicious. My goodness.
Don't spit it out.
So good.
OTD. Woo. We are in Ktown right now.
Oh, GoPro? Hi.
Hey, hello everyone. Hey. Ending the
Hiyo.
night with some tacos. We'll say goodbye.